Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem in Raku programming. The problem we're facing involves wanting to use Raku's comb function with a regex from a grammar instead of a standalone regex. Specifically, we have a scenario where we are passing journal.ctl logs from stdin, and we need to replace a regex in the main function with a regex from a grammar. This adjustment will allow us to better structure and organize our code for parsing journal logs effectively. Now let's delve into the solution for the problem at hand. The key to resolving this issue lies in replacing the standalone regex and h in the main function with a regex from the grammar. By defining a new regex using my and h equals rx journal.ctl full_log, we can seamlessly integrate the grammar's regex into the comb function, streamlining the parsing process for journal.ctl logs. This simple adjustment enhances the readability and maintainability of our code, ensuring a more cohesive approach to log parsing. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem by transitioning from a standalone regex to a regex defined within a grammar. By implementing the solution of replacing an h with my and h equals rx journal.ctl full_log, we've optimized our code for parsing journal.ctl logs efficiently. I hope you found this explanation helpful for your Raku programming endeavors. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!